Hey guys, it's Marlena with day 16 of the Team Supreme Challenge, and it is the 10th day of November. So every 10 days I look back at my previous 10 days and see what I need to improve and change and tweak and all those things. So that's what I'm doing today. Still building my list and just focus on having fun and attracting those people that are serious about building a business. And I know they're all going to come at one time because people are paying attention to what's going on with our team. So thank you so much. Create a fantastic day. It's wonderful to be a part of a team of six-figure earners, and Larry being having created 70 millionaires. We are in the right place at the right time, and that's not just a cliche. It is really our time. So everyone create a great rest of the weekend, and have a great Veterans Day. If you served at all for our country, I want to say thank you. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.